Okay, students, now we are starting the second question of exercise 5.3. Okay, see what the question is. Find the sum of given below. We need to find the sum. Now see, 7, 10 complete and half, 15 up to 84. Now here it is not like that we need to find the first sum of first 84 terms. Okay, here see, of the given below, it means we need to have the sum till this term. Okay, now this is not the 84th term, this is the nth term. Okay, so the details given are, first term is 7. D, to find D we can subtract this, so we can subtract 7 from 10 and half. To make it simple, we can do it like this: 10 to the 20 and 1 21 by 2 minus 7. Now if I take the LCM of 2, okay, 21 is as it is, minus 2 7s are 14. Okay, now 21 minus 14, 21 minus 14 we know it is 7, and by 2 is as it is, so D becomes 7 by 2. Now this is Tn 84. Okay, so we can use this formula. And why we are using this formula? Because in Sn, okay, the formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We can also use Tn and write it like this: n by 2 a plus Tn. But in all two formulas we need n. We still don't have n here, so we have used this formula to find n first. Okay, so Tn is 84. Now we know the formula of Tn: a plus n minus 1 into D. Now a, we already have a 7, n minus 1 we already have D 7 by 2. Now to simplify this, take this, we have taken this 7 common. You can also take this 7 into right side. Okay, we have taken this 7 common, so here 1 is remaining, n by 2 is here, and here we have, if 7 is taken common, we have 1 by 2 as rest, and here 84. Now we can cut this 7 here, 12 7s are 84, so remaining part is 12. Now if I take this 1 into right side, after cutting this, if I take this 1 into right side, plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay, now 12 minus 1 is 11, this part is as it is. Now if I take this 2 into right side, it is divided by 2, so it will convert into multiply, so 11 2s are 22. Now take this minus 1 into right side, minus 1 becomes plus 1, so 22 plus 1 becomes 23. Okay, so that is how we can have the answer of n. Now to find the sum, we know the formula. Now we already have Tn here. Okay, we already have this Tn, so we will use the formula of Tn: Sn equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. Instead of Tn you can write an, you can also write L because it is last term. Okay, all are valid. Now n, we already have n 23, so instead of n we have put at 23. 23 by 2, a is 7 and Tn is 84. Now add this, 84 plus 7 is 91. Now we can multiply this and this because we cannot divide it by 2. So 23 and 91 I have already done here. It is 2093 divided by 2. Now we can also you can write this as an answer. I have just make it enough, make this into mixed fraction by dividing it here. Okay, I have divided here. Okay, 1 is the remainder that is left by dividing by 2. Okay, so it can also be written like this: 1046 is complete and 1 is still remains undivided. Okay, now this is the third question. I am giving the second question to you for homework. Let me show you. This is the second question that I am giving to you for homework. I am doing the third question now. Now this is the third question. This is the series. We need to find the sum till this term. Okay, now we can use the same technique here. This is the first term minus 5. To find the d, we have to subtract this from this. So minus 8 minus minus 5. Now this minus become plus. Okay, so minus 8 and plus 5 becomes minus 3. So this is the d. Now this is the Tn. We know the formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to use the same formula here. Now Tn is minus 2 by 3. Instead of a, we have minus 5. Instead of d, we have minus 3. If I take this minus 5 into left side, minus 5 becomes plus 5. Minus 230 plus 5 is 225. If I take this minus 3 is in multiply here. So whenever I take this into left side, it will go into divide. Okay, so minus 3 change from multiply to divide. Okay, now I can cut this minus. Okay, this is the remaining part. We can cut this by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. We have done the same here. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Okay, this is 75. If I take this minus 1 into right side, it becomes 76. Now we know the formula. We already have Tn, so we have used this formula of Tn n by 2 a plus Tn. N is 76 by 2. A is the first term, which is minus 5, and Tn, the nth term, is minus 230. Now 76 by 2 is 38. Okay, and this both have same sign, so there will be an addition. 230 and 5 is 235. Now if I multiply is inside, plus minus become minus, and this multiplication I have done here, and the answer is 8930. Okay, so that is how we can have the answer. Practice it well. Do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and write me in comment section if you find any difficulty to solve the question. I will try my best to solve all of your queries. Thank you.